going on? Chris Bruce here, live at MGM Grand in Las Vegas, here at the 100K Club Conference. I'm so excited because I was able to come on the stage, 1,500 people, live streaming and in person, about the importance of keeping a steel cage around your mind, protecting and building up a strong mindset. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a little bit behind the scenes of me getting on the stage, some of the things that I've talked about, because here, listen, on the entrepreneur journey, as you go out here and you start to build your real estate business, you are gonna be tested like crazy. And it's super, super important to have a strong mindset. So walk with me as I show you how you can protect your mind and build a strong mindset and make all of your dreams come true.
How many people have came here to learn how to do their very first real estate deal? Raise your hands. Now, for those that don't know me, my name is Chris Bruce. I've been investing in real estate since 2009. I flipped over 300 properties, 5 different markets. I'm the founder of Escape the REI Newbie Zone podcast. Have over 500,000 downloads. Never give up, and you're gonna have the best 2020 you've ever had in your entire life, the best year of your life in 2020.